How's it going? It is October 14th, Tuesday. One loss taken today on just one combine because I missed market open. I was dealing with some top step verification and just some issues with getting a combine set up, but that was annoying. Had to get that figured out. I did miss an A+ setup right here, which I'll talk about, and then I did lose this trade earlier, which I did see why pretty easily. And yeah, I'm just gonna journal that and then back test, and yeah, that would be it. So obviously going into market open, I think you can see it on the 1 hour. We have this gap right here. Huge manipulation gap. I mean, this was just a key sign of, you look, we have accumulation, manipulation into this gap, fill orders, and then right after this gap we get I believe it was a 2-minute, maybe? Yeah. We get a 2-minute inverse right here, which you would have entered. Why is this messed up? Okay, cool. So I just can't move that side. Alright, awesome. But yeah, would have entered right here after this gap got inverse, and then you would have drawn it up just to a 1-to-1 because we were going to displace into a 5-minute gap right here. So you just go up to a 1-to-1, which I believe was right about here. And yeah, so that would have smacked. That would be a trade I would take 100% of the time. Yeah, good to go. And then this trade is the trade I lost. So I knew we were super bullish going up, and we did want to fill this gap 100%. I believe this just was, I believe this just was a 1 hour at the time. No, maybe it wasn't. Oh yeah. Wait. Yes. Yeah, so we have a tiny 1 hour gap right here. I just wanted to fill real quick that I knew we were going to tap. Also, we had this one up here, so I was just already super bullish if this one failed or not, because it is super tiny. It's literally half a point. But yeah, so right about at, I believe it was 9:30 or 9:35, we had another 2-minute. So right here, we enter. It's not long. We would bring that up there. Stop loss at this low, and then you would TP right here. And we did get stop out there. Alright, but why did this fail? So I entered at 9:36. At 9:36, or at 9:45 actually, I should say. So a little bit after. So 9:36 we open. We're opening a new 15-minute. We go up right when this 15-minute closes. What do? Go down, sweep into this 15-minute gap. So there's the manipulation I should have waited for. Right here, bang, and then we displace higher. So then we could have found another inverse in here that we would have taken to go up to this high, or again, you could even target, you could even leave a runner and go up to, let's say, like this high here. That's a 1 to 3 RR, so it's a little bit more risky, more asking for a lot, but it does work. But yeah, I'm gonna use this to journal my trades. I'm just gonna go into a little back testing right now. So yeah, let's get into it. See what we can find. this month of April has been really bad. So hopefully what this is, we're gonna start on Thursday, May 2nd. Sure, yeah, why not? Let's go to Thursday, May 2nd. What time is it now? Where are we at? We are at, okay, we're already at 5 a.m. So let's mark out this. We have this gap right here that we're in. Always want to look towards the higher time frame. Oh wait, it's actually down there. Probably zoom in a bit. So we got that gap. We already tapped into this gap. So we already respected both these gaps. And we are in a bearish trend. So what am I looking for? I am definitely looking for a short. I guess you could go here. I mean, not obviously you don't want to trade off of that, but you can use the trend as your friend. We did inverse here, tapped into here, yeah, so I'm going to be super bullish. And targets for down low, let's go to the hour probably. This would be Thursday. Oh, we missed. Oh, okay. Never mind. Target previous week, so last week, a week ago, those lows, and we'll target down here. But that is a lot. That's huge trade, and then we could probably find everything else internally and maybe just get a 1-to-1. Go 5 minute. Holy candles. Alright. Accumulation. See if we get some manipulation here. Okay, bang, that's market moving. Alright. I mean, probably wouldn't trade the first 5 minutes, so we'll just say we missed out. With these lows right here, probably was like a 30. I would say there's a 30-second right here. We could test. Let's see. There's not a 30-second. Oh wait. No, there's not. Could be a minute maybe. Yeah, don't inverse here. So yeah, so I mean, let's oh wait, now I'm getting all mixed up. Yeah, we didn't inverse there. I mean, could have been a 2 minute here. No, but like you're not taking that. So no, not as much. Let's see, are we taking out these lows already? Yep, take out these lows. Definitely want to go lower. No 15-minute opened. So we do have this gap up here that is asking for a lot. Oh, we do have this gap right here we're bouncing off of. See how high we go. Maybe a 5 minute even. But now there's, yeah, still that 15-minute gap we're going to use. There was a gap right here. We could have traded like, let's see. Yeah, there was a 30-second. Could have taken this minute. Yeah, this minute, honestly. Could have even taken this. would. If I didn't know where that was going already, I would definitely take that trade. Definitely sweep these lows at least. So, I mean, let's see. Go short. Where was it? Probably here. Off that 1 minute. Yeah, so that 1 minute is here. Short. Don't think it's going back to these highs. If it goes to these highs, it's probably going to this 15 minute. So you just want stop loss there at the wick. And then, yeah, this would be a great trade. Yeah, would have played out. So that would have been nice. Need to slow down a little bit. But it looks like we are just going to come. Okay, this 5 minute gap I'm actually going to use because I'm just getting super bullish or bearish, super impatient. Don't hit it there. Hit it there. Okay, new 15 minute. We did tap into a 15 minute, so I am just going to look for a short here. We have a 2 minute. We might have a 3 minute. We do have a 5 minute. Yeah, so I'm gonna go just 10. Go TP there. Wow, the one trade I take, please don't fail. And the one trade I take, it fails. I'm gonna go for it again because we're going for this 15 minute up here. Like, are we just gonna tap this 5 minute though? Like, I think we're just gonna tap this 5 minute and bounce maybe. But if I would short this, but probably wouldn't take this. But I would honestly just go to a 1 for 1. And yeah, it would fail. Yep, it's just gonna tap this 5 minute probably, and then go back up. Oh, wait, no, it would have. Oh, so 3 wins off of not taking trades and 1 loss with the trade taken. That's just how it goes, I guess. That is how it goes. Alright, Friday. Let's go to Friday. 1 more, I think. 1 more. Okay. Huge 4-hour gap that we've already respected twice now. Let's just do that because the gap's huge. Just put those there. Remember that. Get rid of bang. You can just move this here. Just keep these there. Then change these colors. this gap, gap. I mean, we could trade back into here, which I love. So let's see if we missed anything. Absolute chop. Absolute chop. 15-minute here. Maybe it's probably maybe an A setup here. We have an unfilled 5-minute here that we could easily take a trade to. Still in this 4 hour, which kind of sucks. It's the only thing that makes me think we can go lower. Is we could respect this 4 hour, but we didn't hit. Which, yeah, we have already expected it before. And like, look how bearish we are, really. I mean, past couple of days, 2 weeks, we have been bullish. So let's go back and let's see if there is a 1 minute. Maybe even, no, there's going to be a 30-second here. And there's not. We're not going to have a 3 minute. No. I mean, how passionate am I about this trade? The 15-second inverse. Sweep down, sweep down. Could wait for a 30-second here. Yeah, let's take another discretionary trade. Oops. I mean, I just really like this draw. And it says, it tells me it's going to play out too. Does it? Okay, let's see. Oh, I should have. Bang, right there. Trade this right here. 2 minute. So we would go here. Go back one more. We're going to add this to the win rate. Because I think I would have taken this in the market. This is at 9:27, 1 minute. Tapping the 15-minute. Manipulating lower. And yeah, we do have that 1 minute, so we are. And there's that 5 minute we want. Yeah. Oh, dude, I need to stop speeding it up. Alright, let's find a real trade here. Yeah. Still in this 4 hour gap. It's a huge gap. 855. Did we miss anything? Would not have taken that. It's Monday. Might be a no trading day. That's exactly what it was. See what the market does. Worked into this 4 hour. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. I'm being back bullish for sure. We definitely want to say, my next target would be. I mean, this could be the safe target. Or even we could respect this 4 hour. This has not been traded this yet. It's a triple fair value gap right here. On a higher time frame though, so still could get a buy here. Still like a buy because recently we are respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. Okay, market open was here. 4 hour. Looked in this 15-minute. Looked in the 15-minute. Alright, well, yeah, we did. Like, dude, we might just chop here. Like, I don't know if market knows what to do. Would not have taken it. Sweep into a 15-minute maybe. It's 10 a.m. so half size probably. In the 15-minute here. That sucks. Yeah, there wasn't anything, was there? This is so premium. My half size here for a buy. Because I'm not super confident, but I think there's a good chance this could play out. Alright, well, should be break even. Actually, no, I'm not break even. Go break even at this high. Break even now because we swooped lower. We should just see displacement, or else this is just gonna fail. So I break even. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, this would have been all day. We got stopped. Maybe. Nope. Yep. Not bad, not bad. Might have to wait for a big move to see some good PA again. Oh, we didn't go this far. 4 hour, 4 hour. Ooh, I would like this one. She's already going higher. Could have an SMT there as well. Could very much so have an SMT. 830, bang, bang, bang. Okay. Probably gonna. Oh, there is. 15-minute here. I'm gonna make chop, 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 choppy. Let's see what happens. Terrible. Terrible, terrible. Yeah, my screen just broke. Dude, holy choppy. He knew it was coming. 4 hour. Super respect. Super, super, super respect. 4 hour respect, respect, respect. So we went higher at market open and now we're going lower. Or we went higher pre-market. There's some just like I can't take this because it'd just be terrible targets. Hold up. Wait a second. Something ain't right. No, we're respecting this 15-minute. Go half size here. Stick to a 1-to-1. Not that big of a trade at all. But we're gonna go for it. Get me out of this range. Oh my gosh. Wait here. Oh my gosh, dude. Such good displacement. And now we're chopping. So what is that? 2 L's. 2 L's, 1 win so far. go break even because we should just go higher here. Oh my gosh. What is this? I haven't even got stopped out or took profit. What am I trading? What am I trading? Alright, no, yeah, 2 break evens as well. I mean, like, come on. Holy wick. Like, no way we're respecting this one again. Sure, try out the 45-minute. There was a 15-minute, wasn't there? This is, oh, this is a news candle. Brother. Oh my god. Just how tank the market? Oh, Powell's speech actually did pretty well. Trade after Powell speaks. So we just shop. Are we going for these highs? We took them. No way, we took these. Thinking if I would put it lower than this gap or not. Probably not, probably just go break even. Unless we respect it once. Yep, now we're putting it at the gap. If I can grab it. Are you kidding me? There we go. So now I'll put it below this gap. Bang. Okay. There we go. 2 wins, 2 break evens, 2 losses. Keep it going. Got nothing though. Expect a 4 hour. S&T, I guess. I mean, I'm just gonna antsy another half size play here. Break even. Break even there. Once we swoop lower and take out these highs, we should just displace higher, so we would have gone break even. Let's see. Oh, bang. Wow, why do I say these things? Makes me sound so much less. I don't even know. Like, I shouldn't have said anything. Everyone would have thought I was better. Still bullish until we take out. Oh, we're trading all-time highs. All right, cool. I have to be more bullish and bearish, but we shall see. tiny trade. Tiny. Go break even. Always want to protect cap. I should not go break even, bro. I mean, this is why we backtest, I guess, but holy. Alright. Back to business. Still trading all-time highs. Yeah. I don't know why I thought differently. Alright, so we ended just with a win. Let's do one more week here. Let's see. Huge respect. Market open, bam, just go higher. Nothing you can do about that. No entries. We tap in 5 minute, but like at this point I want a 15-minute. We have a 15-minute now. We have a 15-minute here. I'll actually mark this one out as a box. That works right there. Sure. There we go. And then go up here. We're doing 10 points of combos. Alright. Maybe there was an ICT there. Maybe. Oh, what time is it now? 55? Oh. Waked it. Nope. 2 minute. There is a 2 minute. Go to 3 minute. Yeah, no, 3 minute. Okay, 2 minute. Bada bing, bada boom. And then we have 1 more minute left in this 2 minute, don't we? No, we don't. It's 20. Bang, bang. No, the only way I would take this is if we go lower now, because I'm not taking a smaller. What a hit. Well, okay. That's cool. Let's just go to the next day. To the 4 hour again. New all-time highs are up here. 1 hour is, I'm gonna guess there was an SMT here and a 1 minute gap. 2 minute gap. 3 minute gap. 2 minute gap. Not trading that. Back to the 5 minute. I mean, 2 minute gap. Inverse. Came back into this gap. Still want to see it displace higher until I would enter anything. I should just start clicking the buy button. respected this 15-minute. I'm just going off with respect to the 4 hour though. Like, yeah, so get that worked out. Alright. Chop, 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 chop. Cool, cool, cool. At all-time highs. I hate trading all-time highs. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Gap, 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 gap. I think I might click the buy button just like right now. That's 57 points. Yeah, we're just going to take out that. It's probably the safe bet too. Let's see, what's that? That is 33 points. We got a pretty big stop loss. I'd say we're going to equilibrium there, and it's a 5 minute. I'd say that's a pretty strong target. Maybe a setup. Is it one of the times that? Well, we take these highs. Probably would have gone break even there, but in the one time I don't go break even, it's hitting stop loss. And then it's you could even take like this one. This is like gaps like this are just such. They're just huge manipulation. It's just huge manipulation. price loves to go back in there. I would have failed too, but don't trade after something like that. Let's see. Okay. Hopefully we get out of all-time highs here, and that way we get better price action, which would be beautiful. And we just don't respect that gap, which is cool too. 1 p.m. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It's gonna chop, isn't it? It is gonna chop. It's Friday. We might not chop, but we could chop here. I'm gonna guess that we do. Okay. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Fill that 4 hour. Is this all-time highs again? It's not all-time. I was about to say. We were already back. And we're, oh my gosh, we're only 120 points away though. Wicked it there. Could just do that right there, unless there's a 4 hour here. I would love a 4 hour. No, yeah, there's not. Okay, 5 minute. Go to the 15 minute. See, we're about to open up a 15 minute, so this is gonna be 15 minute. But I really love. Yeah, we're already gonna be in a 15 minutes, but I would really love to come to this discounted price. Even like somewhere lower, but we're getting close to. Yeah, we're at 10 now, so it's already getting weird. And price just got weird. You know, that's just awesome. Alright, let's find one more trade. Hopefully it's a winning trade, then call it. Continuation, maybe. My neck is red. Market down. Manipulate higher. Where we want to go higher. Let's see. 5 minute this one's definitely stronger because it does have a 4-hour. I guess we can mark out these sides too. This one's definitely strong though. 2:15 minutes. Like, bro, we just don't get any entries. I'm trying to be safe too. But okay, we want to take out all-time highs. We want to so badly. Did ES tap into this 4-hour gap? I would say so. Yeah, I would guess ES tapped into this gap. And we have an unfilled 5-minute here. They're actually... Nah. Nope, nope, nope. Like there was an SMT here, but what are we gonna target? This gap right here. Like equilibrium. Is it gonna respect the 5-minute? Disrespects it. 15-minute has now opened up. Oh wait, no. Alright. What's up with this chopped cheese we got going on? Oh crap. Take another discretionary trade here. These highs marked out to... Can do that low. Just over a 1-to-1. One go break even. And hit TP. Yeah. I mean, we're near all-time highs too. I probably should have just taken that. Knowing that we're probably going to take them out. Let's say... Ooh. This looks nice. Unmitigated 4-hour candle here. Possibly here too though. But that is... That's only 20 points away. Not even 20 points away. But more about the respect to this candle, I guess. So, 25, bang, bang, bang. 15-minute. super bullish. I think we're going up. Ooh. Probably go break even here. Protect capital. Oh, I don't want it to say I lost. Edge me. But also, if there was an SMT here, just take profits up here. But I'm not looking at SMTs right now. So, but if ES did take out this high right here, you would want to exit, which could have happened right there. Could have happened. It's 4:30. Still haven't tapped this gap. Let's see if we do. Oh, maybe a little bit lower. Down to here. New 4-hour candles opening as well. So we'll mark out all these. I would take a short if it comes up into here, but that would be my only indication of a short because again we are bam, all-time highs or near all-time highs. Or we did actually trade into it. But we didn't create the gap till now. Oh wait. Did I go too far? Or did I not go far enough? I didn't go far enough. Oh, buddy. I could be taking a short here. I might use the replay for if I do cheat a little, but let's see. So market open. No. Nope, nope, nope. I mean, holy crappy PA. Maybe not. I would maybe see us going lower right here. Is there like a 15-minute or so? Oh wait. Close 5, yeah. Yeah, we only got 5 contracts here. Cool. No, we could put that there. Actually, that could be a safe bet. Yeah, that secures a 1-to-1. And then bang. There we go. Awesome sauce. Alright, that's probably going to conclude it for me. Yeah. Not much talking or much going on, but good session. So, back at it probably tomorrow. Hopefully we can get a W. Brand new 2 combines, so sucks what happened today, but you know, don't dwell on losses. We'll get back. And yeah, I think that was like 4 break evens, 2 losses, maybe 3 losses, and then 3 or 4 wins. So some of the break evens definitely could have played out, but it's whatever. So